Arkansas Learning Through the Arts has a mission of improving student achievement in literacy and in the content areas by using the arts as a tool. We know that literacy is essential to learning, and we know that learning in the content areas and literacy in the content areas is essential to student success both in school and in life. The arts serve as a magnet that engages students at all ages and allows them to succeed in igniting their interest both in learning and in achieving at a higher level. We do this primarily through a series of workshops. We offer these workshops as 3 one-hour sessions. They are available for all ages and engage all students in these activities. They work with professional teaching artists in the studio. They are engaged in hands-on learning activities. And all of these activities then are tied to the state teaching and educational standards. We work with teachers by providing them a planning guide ahead of the workshop so that they can ensure that it meets what they are doing in the classroom and that it works with the standards that they are conveying at the time. Students also receive a journal, and during the workshop they go through this journal and engage in those activities that allow them to show the growth that they achieve during the process. Each workshop connects to the state educational and learning standards, and by doing so enhances what they are able to achieve in the literacy area. We know that every student learns at a different rate, and we know that they engage in different ways. Working through the arts allows them to enhance what they are able to do in these areas. And we know that once they are engaged, learning takes place much more naturally.
So Singing Stories is a workshop that I do with younger children, mainly first grade and second grade. They learn about word usage and sequencing, learning about the beginning, the middle, and the end of a story, which then we make it to a song. And they also learn that how some stories can be made into songs. So that's where we kind of begin, is that we talk about a story and then how the story then can be set to a melody, and the words of the song then become lyrics. So the story is set to music. Our topic was fall. So we find a topic and then we start describing it. So they go through the process of imagination and begin to find words that describe the topic, and that's how the song begins to become alive. And then they learn that the main part of the song is called the chorus, and that's what we repeat over and over. That's what they want people to remember. And the verse is where we tell the story. So the verse begins the story. Verse 1, verse 2, and that's how the song becomes alive.
Three verses. And what are the verses? They do what? They tell the story. So it took 3 verses for us to tell the story of our song.
They start writing by imagining words related to fall and grouping them together to make a story. The teacher writes the words on the whiteboard, and they see this song emerge.
Fall is my favorite time of year. We jump in the leaves when they fall on the trees. It feels kind of scary when it gets close to Halloween. I love fall. It's my favorite time of year. I think fall is really cool.
Day 1. The students are perplexed that they could even be songwriters. But then by day 3, we've written the song and then they record it, and they have so much fun.
Hi, I'm Miss Stacy Love. I teach first grade here at Oaklawn STEM Magnet School. We absolutely love the Learning Through the Arts program. I've been honored to have them in my classroom several years now, and I get so excited each year when it's time to sign up. One of my favorite reasons is how they follow our state standards, our Arkansas State Standards framework. And in our Hot Springs School District, we choose essential standards. And their programs fall right into our essential standards. This week, we were lucky to work with Miss Shauna on songwriting, on beginning, middle, and end literacy that we're currently working on in our classrooms, as well as character, setting, and theme. She did an amazing job with our students, and I can't wait to share the video out to all the parents, and I look forward to them coming again soon. Thank you very much. I highly recommend this program to all teachers, classrooms, and students.
Feeling Good is about exploring colors and images in works of art and how colors can evoke emotions. There is a collective understanding among students about their reactions and associations with color and emotions. Teaching social emotional learning through color is a form of therapy. There is no wrong answer. There is their answer, and it is valid and true. The first day, the students associate colors with emotions. We paint a color wheel and they mix paint, and it's a very exciting day because they love to mix paint. On the second day, an accordion book is created where they become a color, a shape, a fruit, an animal. The final day is where the students paint a self-portrait. They learn how to make an oval and put their hair on and their eyes and their nose. This is when I explain to them that all artists paint self-portraits where they express their emotions through color. In this way, we can imagine how the artists feel. We can empathize and understand as the artists present themselves, their emotions to us. I believe that the students begin to understand that they can paint anything and they can use any color they wish, that they can be yellow, blue, red, green, and these colors they've learned are associated with emotions and they can empathize with them.
I'm Emily Riley. I teach second grade at Main Street Visual and Performing Arts, and this is the second year that Learning Through the Arts has been a huge impact on the classroom. So we've been learning about landscapes with Miss Jerry as well as self-portraits, and really taking all of that and combining it is really part of what we're also doing in our Wit and Wisdom module for Module 1. We're talking about landscapes and the visual of the artist. The kids are super engaged. Miss Jerry was hands-on, explained things really well, and hopefully I'm praying that we can see Miss Jerry again in the future.
Hello, my name is Kristen Gordon, and I'm the principal here at Main Street Visual and Performing Arts Magnet School. We have been working with Learning Through the Arts for the past 10 years. I've worked with them as a classroom teacher and now as an administrator. We have a great relationship with them, and because of them we are able to engage our students in the arts through our learning in the classroom.
Again, the mission of Arkansas Learning Through the Arts is to improve student achievement. We try to do this by changing a child's mindset for learning, by providing schools with cultural experiences that are not readily available, and giving teachers alternative methods for learning. We have over 70 workshops from pre-K through high school. We have served over 30,000 kids in the past 10 years. We have been in 25 schools spanning 15 school districts. First and foremost, though, is student learning, and the arts can play a significant role in their future and their successful life. We appreciate your support in this mission. Thank you.